A half grapefruit. Grapefruits are fruits that are high in fiber and low in calories. They contain bioflavonoids and all the chemical plants that protect serious diseases like cancer, heart disease, and the formation of tumors. Grapefruits increase the body's metabolic rate, lower insulin levels, and give you the feeling of fullness, aids in weight loss, improves the digestive process, treats fever, and strengthens the immune system. The fruit also contains vitamin A, zinc, and copper, all of which work to strengthen the immune system and reduce the chance of infection in the body. A half green apple. An apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. Green apples are rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Green apples are rich in dietary fiber, strengthens the bones, promotes the lung health, helps in weight loss, best for diabetes, prevent Alzheimer's disease, get rid of body toxins, and safeguard body against inflammation. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat many forms of nausea, especially morning sickness, can help with osteoarthritis, and lower cholesterol levels. Celery detoxifies the body, boosts the immune system, reduces inflammation, low in calories and carbs, helps reduce asthma symptoms, help to lower arthritis pain, and can potentially prevent oxidative damage. Grapefruit is the only fruit that consists of 92% water, keeps bones strong. It contains decent amounts of calcium and phosphorus, which both help keep bones and teeth strong. Date. 400 milliliters water.
Cinnamon.
Ice cubes. Smoothie Diet loss weight. Drink it twice a day. The secret nobody will tell you. A clean digestive tract can help in a surprising number of ways. This is the smoothie that can help clear out your digestive tract, which helps your body absorb the nutrients from the food you eat. Drink it twice a day to help you stabilize your blood sugar levels, typically results in natural weight loss and lowering your cholesterol levels. Thank you for your time.